Hey everybody, it's Feliciano Cookie, and I hope that this is coming out clear. But yeah, I just got home from work, so I am not going to show my appearance. It is very dirty, very grimy, because of fast food. But yeah, whew. MLP. But anyway, I just came home and found this sitting on my porch, and I wanted to do an unboxing, so it's something one thing I'm very excited about. It's something I've been wanting to try for a while. I'm not going to give away what it is, what I was wanting to try. So, yeah, one of the newer episodes I am watching. There's Spike. But yeah, wish me luck as I try to open this single-handedly. Okay. Oh. Put it down for just a minute on My Little Pony. So. Don't worry. Once it bursts into flames and flame power, I'll send it on. So, there we go. Got some of it. There's some of it. I got very, very good reviews on this. Some of you will think I'm crazy, but what I'm about to show you is something that they do not, hey kitty, they do not sell here at all. And I had to pay almost $10 for it. But I figure it's money well spent, especially if I want to try something I'm wanting to try. So, call me either crazy or devoted. Crazy devoted. Okay. Ooh, more tape. Crystal Pony! I'm sorry, this is so boring. Oh, better not shake it. That would be disastrous. Whoa. Let's try not to stab ourselves now, huh, kitty?
Uniforms will no longer be admitted without a disabling spell. To prevent cheating. And make sure you don't even try casting the spell or will not.
Ah, on. Kitty's like waiting because she wants the bubble wrap. Anyway, here we go. Yum. I'm a brand spanking new Homestucker, and Gamzee is my favorite troll. Speaking of Gamzee, mother of the miracles here. But yeah, Fago Red Pop. But yeah, I'm not gonna try it in this video because I'm afraid I will make a glorified mess with it. So, but yeah, here's well, for the sake of my younger viewers, mother effing miracles. Alright. Thank you guys. Thanks for bearing with me. I'll see you all in another video. Okay? Bye. Okay, bye.